I'm sharpening some chisels today. I flattened the back with 80 grit sandpaper on a piece of plate glass, and it's ready to grind now. I have this grinder that I bought at my Uncle Rudy's place when he had an auction. He was kind of a bastard, and I resemble that remark, so I remember him fondly for that reason. Um, I found the grinding wheels at an auction, and I had a machinist friend make a bushing for me so that I could use this coarse white grinding wheel on the grinder. It breaks down rapidly, unlike the gray ones. And that's what you want for chisels, because you don't want your chisel to get too hot when you're grinding it. Otherwise, it'll soften the steel. It'll take the temper out of it, and then the steel won't hold an edge. And I just wanted to show you how I can grind a chisel easily with the hand crank grinder. So here we go. I crank with one hand, put the chisel up there with the other, and I'll try to keep the spark in the center. Grinding some, it's a little uneven right now, but I can fix that by grinding more on that side. So, hi Derek. This edge is ready to hone now, so I'll take it over and hone it.